Hi everyone, today we're creating this gold bronze Gel X look. Follow along for beginner-friendly step-by-step tutorial. We'll start by buffing the nail and spritzing it with alcohol to remove any dust or debris. Then I'm going to paint my thumb with this nude opaque color. In this tutorial, each finger will have its own unique design. Let's create an ombre with two colors to darken the center slightly. After curing, we'll use a cat eye gel polish to add dimension. Activate the metallic effects with a magnet, then cure and apply a matte top coat to prepare for chrome. Using a fine detail brush and black polish, I outline the design. The lines may look a little shaky and the circle isn't perfect, but it's just the foundation. And then you'll see in a bit, I switched to a thicker brush that we're going to use to clean up the lines and then fill in the open space. You can use acetone or alcohol or a 50-50 mix of both to clean up any mistakes. After your flash cure, go ahead and rub in the chrome and dust away anything left over. I am using a thicker viscosity gel to go back over the design to make it 3D, doing a flash cure and then rubbing chrome over that again. Let's add some gems and then top coat everything for a finished sparkling thumb design. On the pointer finger, I apply a deep maroon brown gel polish over the entire nail and do a flash cure. I'll rub chrome over that and then follow that with a matte top coat because we're going to add another layer of a different shade of chrome on top. This design mixes metallic tones like rose gold and yellow gold. I love how these shades complement my skin tone. For the middle finger, we start with a yellow gold gel polish covering the entire nail. Then I apply blooming gel, but don't cure it yet. Use a dotting tool dipped in brown polish so that we can create the snakeskin pattern. After curing, I apply a matte top coat to prepare the nail for chrome. Using a clear top coat, I outline the design and then I'm going to cure for about only 16 or 15, sorry, that was very specific, 15 seconds, then rub in the chrome. Pro tip, if it's hard to see your design under just a clear top coat, you can mix in a touch of black polish to make the lines more visible. I decided to use the rose gold chrome that I had here instead of the yellow chrome because underneath the base color was very yellow already. So to make the nails more cohesive, you want to kind of balance it out by making sure each nail has a mix of colors and not oversaturated with yellow gold chrome and then a really yellow base underneath. This is just going to help the cohesion of the design at the end. Moving on to our ring finger, it's going to start with a solid brown base followed by another matte top coat because you guessed it, we're going to add some chrome here. I'm sure you can see the theme. Although this chrome, once it's cured, looks absolutely beautiful by itself with this color. I had to elevate it, and we decided to go with a chrome French tip. If you found this helpful or interesting so far, I would love for you to leave a comment and share your feedback. I'm laying down a string of gold microbeads along the lower edge of the nail, flash cure, and then seal with the top coat. On the pinky, I start with a nude base, cure, and then we're going to add a gold cat eye polish to this as well. Activate that with your magnet. Once cured, we add gems to really go all out. This is our bling nail, so some beads and gems to finish out the last finger. I'm going to go ahead and wrap another string of microbeads around this nail for a bit of dimension and sparkle, cure, and then you're all set. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, and I'd love for you to leave a comment. Your feedback means so much to me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.